Okay, now what we want to do is find new game graphics for the actual ball. So let's take a look at the game. You see that blue ball right here? I don't really like that color. I want something a bit different. I want something that's more like I don't know, something that looks more cartoonish. Maybe it's not enough cartoonish looking here. So let's go online and see what we can get for free. Okay, so going to my favorite web browser, and I'm gonna go to openclipart.org. Okay, that's basically a free website where you can get free clip arts. Okay, I don't know if you guys remember what a clip art is, but that's pretty much some kind of a drawn icon. Okay, so right there in the search bar, I'm just gonna type straightforward ball and see what comes out of it. All right. Okay, so as you can see already, those balls are casino balls and lottery balls, basketballs, soccer balls. I like this ball, but I don't like the red color. Oh, I really like this one, this blue one, blue crystal ball. Okay, so that might be one. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to right click and open in a new tab. Okay, so by doing this, I'm just going to keep it in a new tab and leave it there while I'm looking for other stuff meanwhile. Okay, I'm going to click on next. Let's see what else. Now it's a matter of taste, you know, whatever your theme is about, whatever works for you. Now I'm saying, you know, maybe a tennis ball would work for you, you know. Oh, that looks like a Pokemon ball. I like it, but I don't think I'm going to be using it. There might be some copyright issue with this one. I also like this one, this beach ball. I'm gonna actually take it as a possibility. Since we're dealing with monsters, maybe a beach ball could also do the trick. This one is pretty nice also, but it's okay. It's still just another beach ball. Alright, gonna click on next. I'm gonna try to find a third one and then decide. If I don't find a third one on this page, then I will just stop right there. That's already, I have enough choices. Okay. Now as you can see, there's a lot of different choices. Okay, and they're all free to use. So go ahead, feel free to download as many assets as you want. You don't have to use it now. You can reuse it later. Okay, I think I'm just going to stop here. There's nothing else that I really like here. Okay, so I have those two. I have the crystal ball and the beach ball. I think that I'm going to go with the beach ball. Okay, so I'm just going to click on download. Actually, I'm just going to download as a medium image. Okay, done. Now it's saving. Actually, no, I need to right click and save image as. Alright, that will do for the ball.